Hey guys, this is Dalton Quigley with Quigley's Landscaping. We just completed a sod job in Spring Hill, Tennessee. Let's take a look around. So here, you can see some leftover sod. This is kind of how the client's yard was. There was some fescue, but there was some weeds, and it was, different. It was just wasn't successfully growing fescue. So let's take a look after. So what we did was mild grading. We did some prepping of the area, and then we put in all new fescue sod. Let's take a look at how thick this is. Just look at how thick that fescue sod is. Isn't that beautiful? So we also connected the two downspouts and ran them down here to a pop-up drain. So now when it rains, that will pop up. But here's the yard. Now it's a little more graded and beautiful fescue. Thank you for watching one of my videos, and I'll see you at your project. Thank you. Bye-bye.